we're going to do for this one, we've got two 260s. I've got one caramel, one toffee. They're both blown up. A little bit more than a hand width. As you can see, the caramel is slightly more tail than the toffee. Then I also have a tip or a scrap of a 160 black. That will be for the nose. What we'll do is we'll start by tying that little scrap of black to the end of the toffee, just like that. Let me trim that excess off. So now we've got that tied on there. What you want to do is you're going to make about a 3-finger bubble, followed by 2 small fold twists. There's one, and there's a second. So we've got a 3-finger bubble with that on the end, 2 fold twists. Now we're going to take our caramel, and I'm going to twist the nozzle into the middle of those 2 fold twists, just like this. And then you're going to take and make about a 3-finger bubble with the caramel. You're going to go out to the end and go around. You can see that I've got the nose. The black is going to be the nose. You're going around the front of it, and then you're going to make another 3-finger bubble and come back to those 2 fold twists. Twist that in there, pull the nose up, and there is the snout or the muzzle of your dog. Then you're going to bring the 2 balloons up to the top, give them a little squeeze, and you can make about twist them together, make them 2 3-finger bubbles. And then we're going to take our caramel. I like making the ears darker, so I always use the darker one for the ears. And you're going to make 2 fold twists, and these fold twists are about 3 fingers wide a piece. So there's one, there's another. So now our dog has his ears. Bring the toffee down. Now you need 2 more 3-finger bubbles by twisting them together again, just like that. And you're going to twist the end of these back into the 2 fold twists, just like that there. And now we have the head of our dog. Now you're going to make about a 1 to 1.5 finger bubble out of both of them. I twist them together again. This is going to be our neck. Then I'm going to take my toffee, make a pinch twist, and make about a 3/4 inch bubble, make it a pinch twist. Then I'm going to make 2 legs out of the toffee, so about a 3-finger bubble out of each one, and then twist back into the pinch twist. So now we have our front legs, and his head isn't going to stay very straight just yet. In a minute we'll solve that. Then you're going to take and make about a 3 to 4-finger bubble out of both of them. Again, twist them together. Another pinch twist out of the toffee. 2 3-finger bubbles for the legs. Back into that pinch twist. And then the remainder of the toffee is going to stick straight out back for the tail. As you can see, it's out to the end. And then I've got this leftover caramel. What I'm going to do with it is make another 3-finger bubble and come back up along the body into the neck again. Pop the excess off. Sear that in there and we'll tuck it in. And then what you'll do is you turn it, and so the toffee, which is just the 1 bubble, is on the bottom. The 2 caramels are on the top, and that way you can bring his head back, and now his neck will rest in the 2 there, so his head will stay straight. Taking position his head like that. I'm going to give his tail just a little bit of character. And there you have a very quick basically 2 balloon and a scrap dog that you don't have to pop off and tie back in. You just start with them and go all together to the end. So very quick, very easy, and very cute. Well, there we go. There we have our cute little 2 balloon and a scrap dog. And hey, excuse me, sure, okay. No, don't mean to interrupt, but just a suggestion. You might want to let them know that they can add just a little bit of white to the eyes make it a little cuter. Oh, and pink nose also makes it cute too. Not saying that that's not a cute dog, just a suggestion. Let them know about that. Good idea. Great. Take care. Thanks. I'll be sure and let everybody know. Well, I thought we were done with this video, but apparently we're going to do just a little bit more. So hang on. Let me show you how we're going to have those white eyes in. I'll be back in a minute to finish everything up. Don't go anywhere. As I suggested to myself, this is the alternate method. And you basically start off with the two 260s as we had before, but the minor differences are this one I suggested. I'm going to go with the pink nose, and it was really cute. And then for the white eyes, I've got a white 260, and I've only inflated about 4 or 5 inches of it, and I've tied it to the end of the caramel. Again, we'll start with the toffee. We'll do about the 3-finger bubble for the nose, the 2 fold twists, a little bit smaller on this one, just because. But then this one's not going to go up. It's going to go down to the body and the neck. We're going to take the caramel and the white. We're going to twist those together into the 2 fold twists like that. And then you're going to make about a 3-finger bubble by twisting those 2 together. And then just like before, we'll make 3-finger bubbles for our ears, just like that. And then we're going to make the 2 3-finger bubbles by twisting the white and the caramel together to come back down into the 2 fold twists. We're going to pop the extra white off. You just don't need any more of it. And then just like before, we're going to take our caramel, make about a 3-finger bubble out around the nose, back into the head. Just turn the head upright. And now instead of the toffee for the eyes, you've got white eyes. Basically the same thing. And then you continue with the rest of the dog from here. Well, now we're complete. You know what they say, 2 heads are better than 1. Does it count as 2 heads if it's you again? I don't know. Whatever works. But anyway, so now we've got 2 versions of a very cute, simple dog. Really fast, great for line work, restaurants, places where you want something that's better than the 1 balloon dog, a little more impressive, but takes very little time, very fast. Here you go. 2 versions. Have fun. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time around. Bye.